Why am I standing out here with this box with the T-Rex on the loose?
I'm a T-Rex.
Now that I have your attention, this is the Live Air 3 Smart by PDMovie. Time to unbox this bad boy. I'm really hoping this is going to be the solution to all my autofocus problems. And it is a Lidar focus system. Comes in this nice carrying case. This can work on just about any lens that can take a focus ring. This version comes with all the bells and whistles to get you started. Even this cute little focus pull knob. Now there are quite a few different versions out there, so make sure you get the one that says Smart on it. That's the Live Air 3 Smart. There is a Live Air 3. I believe it does not have the infrared LiDAR beam. So get the one with the Smart. If you're like me and you're out on a bright day trying to look at a small LCD screen and trying to make sure everything's in focus, it's a complete nightmare. So I'm hoping this is gonna be the one that I could just point it at whatever and it's gonna be in focus, it's gonna look beautiful. Time to set it up and find out.
Sorry about that blurry footage. That was recorded with my GH5. So this package I bought used off eBay for $3.95. It retails for $4.19. Comes with this little focus knob in this package. Little sticker for focus assist. Little decals to label your lenses for the different settings. Comes with a little focus ring. Everything you see here, batteries, etc. Charging docks, cables, different rails. I'm not sure what some of these do. Look at all these little knickknacks. There's a video on the PDMovie website that tells you how to set it up. Once you figure it out, it's really not that hard to get this thing going. All right, let's check out some footage.
Deeply in love, I'm so deep in love. Deeply in love, I'm so deep in love. Oh boy, see the way you move, make my temperature rise. And I can't deny that I don't mind to have you right here by my side. Make me collide, tell me sing a lie.